Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power button, let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards you need to find some thumb tag or special eject tool to open the tray for your slots. Here we've got the special tray. Let me simply use some thumb tag. Here I have my thumb tag. Let's just push this tool into the following button right here. Let's press it, and now you can remove the whole thing from your phone. So let me do it. Let's remove the tray, and this is the tray where you can insert 2 Nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD. Let me use just 1 Nano SIM card and 1 micro SD. Let's start by inputting the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's place this card in that position. Let's use the Nano SIM. So let's choose your slot. In my case it could be that one. And now let's place the whole thing into your device. Let's push it to the end. Make sure it's closed properly. Now press power key to switch on the device and check if both cards are working properly. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A is switching on. Excellent, the home screen pops up. Let's unlock the screen. If you have a PIN, you have to enter your PIN. Excellent. So now you can find and select the settings right here. Let's choose SIM cards, and as you can see the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. You may also scroll down and choose the storage, and as you may see the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well. Both cards are working perfectly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.